Today, I'm diving into an in-depth review of GetResponse, a popular email marketing platform that claims to be an all-in-one solution for businesses. I've spent a lot of time testing its features, from email automation and landing pages to webinars and e-commerce integration. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know: what works well, what could be better, and whether GetResponse is actually worth the investment. Let's start with the interface. GetResponse has a clean and modern dashboard, which makes it easy to navigate, even for beginners. Setting up an email campaign is pretty straightforward, with plenty of templates available. One of the biggest selling points is the drag-and-drop email editor, which allows for quick customization without requiring coding skills. However, I did notice that some templates feel a bit outdated compared to what competitors offer. Now, let's talk automation. GetResponse offers a powerful automation workflow builder, which is one of its standout features. You can set up complex email sequences based on triggers like user behavior, purchase history, or time delays. This is great for businesses that want to create personalized email experiences. However, during testing, I noticed that the automation builder can lag when dealing with larger lists, which might be frustrating for high-volume users. Another feature GetResponse heavily promotes is its webinar functionality. Unlike many email marketing platforms, GetResponse lets you host webinars directly within the platform. This is a great addition for those who rely on webinars for lead generation. The downside? The webinar tools aren't as advanced as dedicated webinar platforms, so if you need high-end webinar features, this might not be the best option. When it comes to integrations, GetResponse supports a decent number of third-party apps, including Shopify, WordPress, and PayPal. However, I found that some integrations require additional setup steps, which might be a hassle if you're looking for quick plug-and-play functionality. Pricing is another key consideration. GetResponse offers multiple pricing tiers, including a free plan, which is great for small businesses just getting started. However, as you scale up, the pricing can get expensive, especially if you need advanced automation features. Compared to competitors like MailChimp or ConvertKit, GetResponse sits in the mid-range but provides more features for the price, particularly in automation and webinar hosting. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Gifmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Now, let's discuss deliverability rates. One of the most critical factors in choosing an email marketing platform is how well your emails actually reach inboxes. GetResponse has solid deliverability, with rates typically above industry averages. However, like any email service provider, your results will depend on factors like email list quality and content. Customer support is another important aspect. GetResponse offers 24/7 live chat support, which is great for solving issues quickly. However, some users have reported slower response times during peak hours. Their help center is extensive, but if you're new to email marketing, you might still need direct assistance. Overall, GetResponse is a strong choice for businesses that need an all-in-one email marketing solution with automation, webinar hosting, and CRM tools. It's not perfect. Some templates are outdated, the automation builder can be slow, and pricing might be high for larger lists, but it offers more features than many competitors at the same price point. If you're looking for a robust marketing platform that goes beyond just sending emails, GetResponse is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of digital marketing tools. Let me know in the comments if you've used GetResponse and what your experience has been like.